Hi, I'm Michael Slack, Senior Movement and Mechanics Coach with National Football Academies for Gridiron Football, here to talk about stance and exchange, or getting the football from underneath the center. When we set our body posture, we want to make sure our feet are shoulder width apart with our toes straight so that we can be as quick as we can from underneath the center. We don't want our feet too wide. When we set our body position, we don't want our knees to go too far forward when we go down. We want our hips back to give room for our arms to be able to get underneath the center. We want our back flat, so a lot of kids will round their back. We want to try and make sure that we have a straight back here and our eyes up so that we can see the defense. We don't want to have our kids looking through underneath the center to try and get the ball. We want to see what the defense is doing. So our arms are going to be straight underneath the center with our throwing hand on top. So I'm a lefty, left hand on top, right hand on top if I'm a righty. Our hands are going to be right up against the center's butt so that he can feel where our hands are, and we're going to pressure with our bottom hand through our top hand with our hands like this. So I'm going to take my non-throwing hand and slide it down and push up through the top hand so that my hands don't separate when I try and get the football. So my eyes are up, my hands are straight, or arms straight, with our hands right underneath the center's butt as I push up to try and give pressure. And then once I get the ball, I'm going to try and burst away from the line. So I want to try and have an aggressive move away from the line, whether I'm dropping, whether I'm trying to roll out, whether I'm handing off. I want to try and get away from the line as quick as possible.